More than technology, a movement. CONCLO was proud of our power to make a change. Every great journey begins with a purpose. Some projects begin with a proposal. Some begin with a contract, but a few begin with a cause. This is one such story. Our journey with Friends of Bharathapuzha began in early 2023. It wasn't as a technology partners. It began as members. Every member of CONCLO Technologies became a part of the FOB family because we believed that protecting our rivers is everyone's responsibility. One of the defining moments of this journey was meeting the legendary Dr. Sreedharan Sir, the Metro Man of India. During our discussions, one thought stood out. How can technology help a people's movement grow? That simple question became the beginning of something much bigger. Instead of immediately building a website or a CRM, we chose to listen. Over the next 3 years, we attended programs and participated in river conservation activities, became volunteers, worked alongside the executive committee, understood the challenges, collected every requirement, and only then we started designing a solution. The result was much more than a website. We built an entirely new digital ecosystem, a modern website, integrated with a custom Salesforce CRM, managing memberships, volunteers, programs, payments, events, reports, and the complete digital journey of FOB. Technology that empowers people. Not every effort is rewarded by revenue. Some are rewarded by the satisfaction of creating a lasting impact. For CONCLO, this was one of those journeys. On 12th July 2026, years of collaboration became reality. We officially launched the website and Salesforce CRM for the FOB. A milestone that marks a new chapter in the organization's journey. We are proud that FOB is among the pioneering NGOs in Kerala and possibly South India to adopt an enterprise-grade Salesforce nonprofit CRM platform for managing its mission. The appreciation from the audience and the honor bestowed upon our CEO by the FOB Executive Committee made this achievement even more meaningful. Our sincere gratitude to Dr. Sreedharan Sir, whose vision continues to inspire this movement, the Executive Committee, every volunteer, every member, and everyone who believed in this journey. Thank you for trusting CONCLO Technologies. Looking forward to connecting with you all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.